Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 1st to the 7th. We are in the final month of the year and the most joyous month of the year as well. So we have some super easy deals over at Walgreens and it's going to be a pretty good week. We have a new month, a lot of new digital coupons, and a lot of magic. So on Wednesday, most of us got these 4 boosters in our digital coupons folder. Look for them at the top of your coupons folder in the digital app, and they should be all there, hopefully. First one includes a 10 back when you spend 50, which is a little bit, but this one's both in store and online, and typically you can stack it with other ones, which is really the best part of this. We also have this one, which is a monthly one that if you make 4 purchases of $30 or more, you're going to get back $20 in Walgreens cash. That one's completely doable if those other boosters keep showing up. And then we also have a 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G. Stacking it with that $50 one be 15 back when you spend 50. So we're getting warmer to a deal. And then we also have this one back again, which is a 5 back when you buy 3 selected oral care products, and that one is an online only. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, December the 1st. And as stated, this is a new month, so we're going to have new deals and also new Walgreens coupons as well. And I know many of you really love those Walgreens coupons. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Monday the 2nd will be Cyber Monday, and they're going to be offering a couple discount codes, including a 15% off of 30 and then a 20% off of 50 with the 2 different codes. And yes, we will definitely investigate that. And that one is curbside only, so that will be a Monday thing that we're going to look at. First thing we're going to talk about is all the various sweet treats that are on sale. A lot of this stuff, especially chocolate, a lot more this year. Some sort of cocoa shortage. So just be mindful of that. If you gift a lot of chocolates, it's probably the week that they have sales you're really going to want to stock up, because some of this stuff is expensive and I don't like that very much. We have a buy 2 get 1 for free on these Doves, Cadbury, Rolo, M&Ms, the holiday ones. I guess they're a little bit more magical. Hopping right into the first deal, we have the $4 Colgate dental care products. We're going to have a 4 off 2 digital and a $3 reward when you buy 2. So we are getting very close to a free deal. Not quite, but pretty close. So grabbing 2 of these Colgate products, it's going to be exactly $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And what's a booster? Such as that 10 back when you spend 50, that thing I showed you at the beginning of the video, that is a booster. Next deal that we're going to look at is a 4 for 10 on the Arm & Hammer laundry care products, which is a really good price point at $2.50 a pop. However, we're going to have a $2 off 4 digital coupon to load. Grabbing 4 of the selected Arm & Hammer laundry care products, that's 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 8, making it $8 for the 2 or $2 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I would check if the laundry pods and the fabric softener beads or those scent beads are included. Sometimes they are not, sometimes they are, and you can get them super cheap. The Schick is BOGO 50% off, $4 digital coupons. Earn $5 when you spend 10. Pay attention to that. The first one is if they are BOGO 50% off at $9.99. You have to pass the $10 threshold to get your little reward. So 2 of them BOGO 50% off would be not $14.98 at $9.99. Subtracting 2 $4 digitals for a men and a women's, you'll pay $6.98 with your debit card. As the deal is spend 10, get back 5. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash or a register reward, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents per. Razors are $10.99 a pop and not $9.99 because it's a new month. It would be $10.99 for either a men or a women's. Just grab one, subtracting your $4 digital. You would pay the balance of $6.99 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash or a register reward, making it $1.99. And for the balance, you got to pay it. Don't use any Walgreens cash. Going to look at a deal with the Head and Shoulders. Last week I got a very generous 4 off 2 digital coupon that isn't expiring. So if you possibly have this coupon, we're going to have some very cheap shampoo. And the last couple go arounds with this, I always had a 3 off of 2, so I'm happy that this one's there. So grabbing 2 of the cheapest bottles at $6 a pop, that's 12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The deal that we have is to get these big men's Dove body washes for $5 each. It's 50% off, which is a really good deal. Fetch Rewards is giving back 1,000 points when you spend $12, so that is pretty good. That's $1 back. So here's the deal, guys. Grabbing 2 of the Dove men's for $20. Subtracting that 6 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $14. Get back a $3 register reward. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for an extra $1 back, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per massive bottle. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you have not signed up for Fetch Rewards, sign up today. Link in the notes. And when you submit your receipt, it could be like a pack of gum or something you bought at Taco Bell last week. I think you're given 2,000 points when you submit your first receipt with my code pinned at the top of this video. Now we have a deal on the Softsoap hand soap at $3 a pop. $2 reward when you buy 2, and they are $3 each. So grabbing 2 of them, that's going to be 6. Roll $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1 and get back a $2 register reward. It basically makes it $4 for 2 or $2 per. If they're the larger ones, obviously this is a really good deal. But I'm really going to have to look at the tags on Sunday for this. And if you want to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, absolutely go for it. And now we're going to look at a gain deal at $5.49. We're going to get a mix and match of the pods, the dryer sheets, the fabric softener. $4 reward when you buy 4. So 4 of these products at $5.49 a pop is $21.96. We're going to have to check for those digital coupons on Sunday. $5 off, it would be $16.96. And $4 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're doing a $50 basket, $21.96 is a huge chunk of that basket. Okay, now we're going to look at another deal. Let's go with the Olay body wash for this. Unfortunately, my Old Spice has expired on IBOTTA. Maybe IBOTTA will have something for Olay. Wouldn't that be nice? But 3 of these body washes would be $21. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $15. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But is IBOTTA going to have a rebate for Olay? There hasn't been one in a long time. I'm thinking there might be because they did Old Spice the week previous. We'll have to wait and see. This is also a really good deal on the Kellogg's, the Raisin brand one, which is BOGO free. More of an expensive cereal at Walgreens, but IBOTTA has $1.50 back when you buy 2. And as you can see, the whole family of Raisin brand and mini wheats is there, so you might have to do a bit of investigation work at the store. But grabbing 2 of these Raisins brands at $6.99, buy one, get one free, you're only going to pay for 1. IBOTTA will also give you back $1.50, so you'll have to photograph that receipt. So it makes it $5.49 for the 2 or $2.74 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Get some quick honorable mentions before I run off into the big sunset. The first is to get a free 12-pack of the Tide Pods when you buy a $15.99 liquid detergent. Now with the spend 20, get back 5. And this, will it work curbside? Yes or no? We're going to have to wait and see, but that's something. I mean, those pods are usually like $7.99 a bag, so yeah, that's a good one. We have a Pampers deal, 2 for $21, $4 reward when you buy 2. My question is, what digital coupons will we get on Sunday to go with this? We need some coupons. Also, some of the makeup kits up to a $5 coupon. If you love to gift this for Christmas, Essie or Maybelline, this is definitely the stuff you're going to have to buy, of course. And then with the Colgate Crest, we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital, $3.50. But what is there going to be some sort of a deal to go with this? Because they're being so mysterious with this. So I think I'm going to press pause until I see a deal formulate. $14.99, up to a $5 coupon. And then a $5 reward, like a register reward when you buy two. What will be included for this one? That's my question. And BOGO 50% off for the Bic Premium Disposable Razors with $3 digital. So we'll have to investigate that one too. $3 for various Christmas candies, a little bit cheaper than the cost of chocolate right now. An alternative idea to fill those Christmas stockings. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.